Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to create a new Instagram business page from scratch. So this is a very easy tutorial. All you have to do first is go to Instagram and then create an account or sign up. So once you have created an account, then all you have to do is to switch your personal account to business account. In order for you to do that, you have to create first your Instagram or personal account. So I'm going to show you what it looks like. So once you have created your Instagram account, what you're going to do here is you have to go to the left side and then you have to look for the three lines right there and just basically look for the settings or just look for the gear icon or settings on your Instagram account. So this is your Instagram personal account. Just tap this three lines. And then this time you have to look for settings. So in the settings, you can see their creator tools. Maybe it depends on your Instagram features, but all you have to do is just go to settings. And then this time you have to scroll down. So as you can see here, if I'm going to tap on the professional account, you will see here all information that you have, and then you can also change this one. But we're going to switch our personal account to business account. So I'm going to tap on this creator in controls. So basically, I'm going to tap on switch to business account. You can read the following information. And to proceed, you have to tap on the switch option right here. So click switch, wait for a couple of seconds as you are switching from personal to business account. So once you have tapped on this switch to business account, you will have two options, creator or business. For creator, this one is good for content producers, influencers, and so on. While business, this one is good if you are on marketing or if you're selling something, okay, or products. So I'm going to choose this one right here, read the following information, and then once done, then you can tap on the next button, select a category. So let's just say you are about to sell products, or let's just say products and services, but actually everything is up to you. You also have the option to show this on your profile or not. So select the category and then after that tap on the next button or done. Now switch to a professional account, tap on continue. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you have to take note that your account is now public. So you cannot switch this to private. Now you can review your contact information and it's up to you if you want to show this to your account or profile. And if you are selling something or if you are offering services, it would be good if you let this show on your profile. So add the information right here, such as email, phone number, street, country, and code. So once you're done, then tap on save. And again, you have your option if you want to show this to your profile or not. So your Instagram business account is ready. So feel free to proceed, tap on done, and then after that, you can now go onto your profile. Now, if you want to change your business photo, so I strongly suggest to use Canva. Canva is a free editing tool. You can create an account right here, tap on create a design, search for Instagram. So let's just say if you want to post something on your Instagram, then you will see here the perfect size or ratio for that. But since we're going to change the profile photo of your business page or business account. So we're going to search for profile and then tap on design. Look for something like if you are offering or if your business is all about shoes, then you can search for shoes right here. If you can find one, then you can look for elements, but actually there are tons of templates here for your profile photo for your business account on Instagram. So select one, just double tap or drag. And then here, as you can see, we can change this one. So the good thing about Canva is that you can replace the picture, you can change the background color, you can change the font style, font size, and then you can upload your image or your own picture right here. You can delete unnecessary elements or objects and then replace. So let's just say if this is my profile picture or this is the profile picture that I want to use to my Instagram business account. So feel free to change everything here. You can also add text if you want. And then once you're done, all you have to do is tap on the share button. Make sure that this one is PNG, not MP4 or PDF. So after that, what you're going to do next is tap on download. So as you can see, this is the result. Again, you can add effects, you can add text. Everything is up to you. Once you have created the best or the profile that you want, then you can proceed with sharing and then downloading it. So this is the name of my product, or let's just say my business page. Should like it, for example, you can change the font style, font size, even the font color if you want. You can place it anywhere. And then again, once done, tap on share and then download this as PNG. Now go back to your Instagram business account, tap on upload, upload photo, select the one from your device, and then for bio, you can ask ChatGPT for a help. So you can go to ChatGPT and then ask for a specific or enticing bio for your business page. Then after that, copy and then paste it to your Instagram. And basically that's it. Now review and then go back to your account or profile. So basically that's how easy it is to create a new Instagram business page from scratch. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.